Okay, get your little jig. Give this a little bit of room there. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From that point, we go straight down and underneath. Get your marble, pop it in there, marble is in, go here, around, go again, looks like about all it'll fit. There you have the start of your monkey ball with the marble inside. Now you have to tighten them. So I've got one coming out that way, so it's not these ones. One coming out this way, so you have to start with the middle ones. The middle ones. And we're going to start just gently pulling here, tighten it up a little bit. You want to tighten it fully. Grab the second one. Tighten that a little bit. Okay, I'm going to pause this for a sec. I'll come back when it's tightened. And there's the last one. With it all tightened up, make sure it's nice and even. There's no gaps. No gaps. I'll sort out once I start swinging. Make a little knot here. And there you have Monkey Fist.